We're also here with a handmade knife review. Today we're going to talk about the Firey Boning knife. So this is a boning knife made in CPM 154 with a acid wash on it. And the handle material is a piece of what I call the fiery pine cone. So it's got this little fiery look, and I do the yellow and orange liners in it. So this is literally a pine cone in resin. So technically it's a hybrid, but we just call them pine cones. And then I love adding those design elements just for that pop of color. Some dimensions on this blade. The length is 7 inches from tip to heel. From the spine to the heel, the depth is 1.5 inches. And the handle length is 4 1/8 inches for an overall length of exactly 11 inches. Now, the next question is, where did I get this design of a boning knife and what is it used for? So this is based on a 15th century Spanish boning knife. So this is literally the knife that they created back in the day to take apart all their sheeps and lambs and goats that they grew at that time. So you can literally, that index is in the palm, this little hump right here, and that way you can get in there and take things apart. You can use it this way. You can literally hold this knife and it gives you purchase because this little hump. Their hump is a little bit more pronounced and not quite as elegant. I've kind of smoothed it out over the years to fit what the comfort I'm looking for a knife. So it is a very old design that I've just slightly modified because, well, I'm a knife maker and I can do that. So what would you use it for? You can use this literally to take apart almost any smallish animal. So whether it's a chicken or a rabbit, or you're going goats and sheep, it will be able to help you butcher down that animal. It's a boning knife. It is not going through bones. The proper way that this was designed to use or used to design is that you're going through for the ligaments. You're not going through bones, and you're taking apart an animal via taking out the ligaments and popping joints and not going through bones. So if you have any questions, please hit us up at serenityknives.com.